Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Excel and create or open the workbook you'll use. You're not prepping hardware, you're starting work. Once the file is open, save it immediately to a known folder and turn on Auto Save if available so you avoid data loss. Make sure the ribbon and formula bar are visible, and set the view and zoom so you can see rows and columns clearly. This reduces mistakes as you enter formulas and formats. Begin by laying out headers and consistent data types. You want clean input so formulas behave predictably. Next, enter formulas like equals SUM, B2, B10, and equals average C2, C10. Use $ to fix cells when copying formulas across rows or columns. Once formulas are in, format cells for numbers, currency, or dates so values are readable and calculations stay accurate. Finish by reviewing formulas and results. Use formula auditing tools to trace precedence and dependence so you understand what drives each value. Once satisfied, protect sheets or the workbook if needed, save a version copy, and export as PDF or CSV for sharing with others. If you hit errors like #ref or hash value, stop and check the reference ranges, ensure cells aren't text when they should be numbers, and repair any broken links. This is usually the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.